Hello students, welcome to Jnanajyoti YouTube channel. Today we are going to learn names of birds. Kite. Kite means ghar. Hen. Hen means kombdi. Lark. Lark means chandol. Crane. Crane means karkocha. Heron. Heron means bagla. Kingfisher. Kingfisher means deer. Vulture. Vulture means gidhad. Woodpecker. Woodpecker means sutar pakshi. Cuckoo. Cuckoo means kokila. Cock. Cock means kombda. Ostrich. Ostrich means shahamrug. Owl. Owl means gubad. Eagle. Eagle means garud. Duck. Duck means badak. Crow. Crow means kavla. Falcon. Falcon means sasana. Goose. Goose means house. Pigeon. Pigeon means kabutar. Peacock. Peacock means more. Parrot. Parrot means poppet. Sparrow. Sparrow means chimney. Stork. Stork means saros. Swan. Swan means house. Dove. Dove means parva किंवा कबूतर. Okay students, thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe.